Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Imagine that you are out sailing and your destination lies 4 miles to windward. This means you will need to tack to arrive at your destination. Along the way, you can expect to encounter lifts and headers. A lift occurs when the wind direction moves away from the bow, and when lifted you can point closer to the wind. A header occurs when the wind direction moves toward the bow. You can no longer point as close as you could before to your windward destination, and you will need to alter your course or tack. You will want to take advantage of lifts and headers to reach your destination in the shortest time possible. Follow these 3 rules for sailing to windward. You want to start out on a tack that takes you closest to your destination. Sail the longest leg first. Tack on headers, point higher on lifts. This keeps you moving towards your destination with good forward progress. Now let's take a look at a simple diagram that shows this in action. At position 1, we start out on port tack and sail the longest leg first that takes us closest to our destination. At position 2, note how the wind has shifted toward our bow. This means we are headed, so we tack right away to stay close to the track line. At position number 3, the wind again shifts toward the bow. We tack again to stay close to the sailing track line. Continue this technique all the way up the sailing track line until you arrive at your destination. Use these easy sailing tips to help you sail with more power, speed, and performance when sailing to windward. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.